Maybe the sensitivity is a little too high. Should be good. Do, 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 do. I think it's a little too sensitive. Okay, so I think I'm good now. All right, so welcome, guys. This is the first ever live stream, or at least day trading live stream of mine. Yes. Um, I know that, well, I've been sort of teasing this for a while. And reason being is because, well, I've been really busy doing some personal things and a lot of stuff related to the channel. Obviously, some more content that I'm going to have coming out. But while I can't promise you'll be seeing these streams frequently, what I will say is I will do my best to at least do one once a week, or at least one every Wednesday until I get everything pushed out that I want to get pushed out. And they will be at least 1 hour long. And the reason why I'm trading on the Asia session is because it's a really, really hard market to dominate or to trade in. Not many people can successfully trade in it. And I've been working on a strategy that will hopefully yield some results. Some of the trades that I will be getting in will be on a higher time frame, mostly, sometimes lower time frame. Um, so just keep an eye out for that. Make sure that if you are going to swing trade, with the entries that I give you, and you're trying to pass a prop firm, I would recommend not to take this channel as a signals channel. But not only that, please make sure you read the rules for your prop firm, okay? And don't over risk either, because I know a lot of you are gonna look at this and be like, oh, I'm gonna use it as signals. I'm gonna enter. Please don't do that. Don't use my channel as signals, okay? It's not worth it. Uh, what else was the other thing I was gonna say? I guess it'll come up as I remember them. But yeah, I'm only keeping it an hour long. The times might sort of change. Oh, and when I do plan on releasing a live stream, I'll try to give you guys some time in advance, because I know I am terrible at it. Sometimes these things are spontaneous, and I'm gonna do my best to at least announce them as much as I can. All right. So with that being said, let's start trading. Let's see what we can find. Um, I'm trying to finish setting up some other stuff here that I got. But we're gonna be looking at gold. I'm gonna figure out how to add music on here too, but it's just every time I add music, for some reason, it just it makes my audio sound so weird, and I'm on a Mac, so it just makes it really hard for me. Do 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 do. But yeah, ask questions if you're new or just hopping out on the stream. Do my best to answer. Do my best to entertain as well. Um, but yeah. There we go. That's what I needed right there. Dang. Oh no. Oh, okay, 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 okay. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. Hello there, just caught the live stream. Hey, Mr. Ector, sorry man, I'm trying to do a lot of things at once. Um, but yeah, man, welcome to the live stream, man. I'm trying to add music later onto these things. Um, hopefully it gets better. But are you hearing me okay? Waste the 5 minutes. Yeah. Okay, cool, 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 cool. Do you have any questions, man? Or is there anything interesting you want to talk about? We have a whole hour. Um, this is weird. I'm thinking. Oh, dude, I think I missed an entry. That's what happens when you're not prepared. content's sake, could you show us your normal thought process when checking on pairs? Sure. So I'm actually going to start breaking it down right now. So for this specifically, I'm going to use a 4-hour for this unless I find another reason to go up on a higher time frame. But for example, right now I'm just looking at what market has done, and from there I'll judge and see what it might do, right? So right here we have what it seems to be a rejection block on the 4-hour, and I'm just going to drag it out here. And I'm going to put 4-hour. And what I do, I just basically start marking things up. Whatever is like more common or whatever is easy to use, them whatever is easier for you to identify market structure, basically. So we have that, and we have this order block here as well. I forgot what I call these. I think I call these like leading blocks. It's in one of my videos, but you can still look at it as an order block. So we have structure breaking to the upside, liquidity is getting swept. So right now price has been sort of on a downtrend. I guess today and these last few days. But I mean, since gold is generally a bullish pair, and that's another thing too, right? So if you know that overall, that whatever asset it is that you're looking at, if you know overall if it's a bullish or bearish asset, then whatever analysis you get from your technical analysis, like marking up your charts and stuff, if your technical analysis says you're bullish or you're supposed to be bullish now or at some point, and you know that the asset that you're looking at is generally a bullish asset, then you should be straight. So like one way to determine if it's generally a bullish asset is like one, just know its history. We all know that gold is generally bullish because of its history, but I mean if you go on the monthly time frame or weekly time frame, weekly or monthly, I'm going on the monthly. Overall, I mean it's bullish. It's a bullish asset, right? So there's that part. Not only that, here's another cool, I guess, tip or trick. We already saw that this monthly candle, the accumulation already finished happening, or most of it, and we only have a few days for the month to end. So which means that this accumulation phase that was down here, this wick, this bottom wick right here, right? Crap. This wick. There was, according to ICT, some form of accumulation, manipulation, and now we have the distribution phase, right? So it's good. So now we know that, hey, you know, the hard part is over. Generally, we are going to be bullish from here on out, or at least we're going to have some kind of distribution towards a specific direction, which would be bullish in this case. So that's how you could break it down. Now I'm gonna see if I can go down a couple of time frames and see what I can find. Sorry, I'm also doing some other stuff as well. Now that's another thing. Just because your overall bias is bullish, that doesn't mean that you should enter on buys automatically on the lower time frame. Sometimes you might enter shorts temporarily. Okay. Right now, I'm definitely looking into buying though. I'm not so sure if it's a good idea, but I mean, I have no reason to say no. Dang. You know where I could have entered? I think. I think. I don't know. Maybe a little risky. I think I could have entered here. Targeted this area down here, yeah. But the only thing, I'm getting mixed feelings on this one. The heck? Oh. Yeah, it hasn't even touched it, but if I were to get into buys, it would look like somewhere around here, or if I can get some kind of rejection, like some more bullish candles. By the way, guys, let me know if you can't hear me. And welcome to all the new people that are currently watching. If I were to get into a buy, it would be somewhere here, and I'd go for like a 1 to 1 first, and slowly scale up. Hold on. Let me try something here. Let me try something. That's a daily open. Okay. So since this is the open for the new daily candle, we should expect some kind of manipulation to happen. So if I were to enter sells, it would have been somewhere around here, and I might have targeted this one in fair value gap. So what I'm going to try to do now is, if I find a setup that tells me, hey, the manipulation is probably over, it's time to go back up, I'll enter there. But if I don't, then we're just gonna have to be patient. So I'm gonna analyze another pair. Just give me a second. Give me a second. What pair do you guys want me to look at? Is there any pairs that you guys want me to look at? Anything specific? LFEG? What's that mean? LFEG. I don't know what that means. I'm mad. I don't know what LFG. Lower fair. I don't know, dude. I'm not gonna try guessing that. Let's see. And if you're trading during this session, you gotta have some tight spreads, or maybe trade like a futures asset. Ooh. Hold up. Wait a minute, Mr. Postman. Could you repeat the gold analysis? Sure. Just give me a second. I'm gonna try analyzing this pair real quick. But if I don't give it to you, remind me, because I probably will forget. Let's see here. So USD JPY, dude. Let's see here. Let me get a weekly look at this. do this thing so far has been ranging. I was on fire for you. Where did you go? Was I being lied to? Just trying to forget you. My heart can't stop. This is a weekly FEG. Weekly FEG. Okay, so I'm thinking this thing is already at a. What if I go up here? Well, I mean, I can definitely see it going down. But this is a weekly plus this candle. The weekly candle closed over this bullish candle. Yeah, I think we might have some here, guys. Give me a sec. I think we might have something here, gentlemen. Give moi a second. Let me see something. Hold on, guys. I'm thinking I might look into some temporary buys on the 5-minute. Let me see something. Oh, okay. All right. So, all right, let's do this. Since you guys are new. Man. Okay. So the reason why I'm thinking I'm looking for buys is because we have this sweep right here. So yeah, we have that sweep here. Price already accumulated and manipulated down here. I might enter some quick buys. Man, I don't want to be. Let me see something. No. I mean, look, guys. Okay, if you want, it's up to you. If you want, you could technically enter right now here at whatever this is. I would recommend a stop loss somewhere down here. And just go for a quick 1-to-1. Or, yeah, 1-to-1. You might have to leave that running overnight, though. But that's up to you. It's because on the 5-minute, and this is only on the 5-minute that I'm seeing this. I'm seeing this right here. This very nice, very nice reaction towards this 5-minute fair value gap. Price already, kind of like it did here, right? Price already accumulated here, and then look at that, it shot up. All right, same thing here, and then what we have here, another accumulation. It's reacting really well off of this 5-minute fair value gap. So if you were to enter, you could enter right here and then just target what level is this? The one level is this? 149.616. That would be the entry level that I would end up getting in on. But again, it's up to you guys. You'd have to be really careful. Anyways, let me look at the analysis back on gold here. Yeah, so anyways, the analysis is we have 4-hour rejection block here. Price tapped into it, went up, caused a break of structure, came down, tapped into this 4-hour. I didn't even type this in here. 4-hour order block. Reacted pretty favorably. Price did not close below this candle, and it seems like it came back to retest it, failed to go past it. So I would say right now we're pretty bullish, but I really don't see anything worthy of getting into right now. Not on gold right now, at least. I mean, unless you want to get in here and do a quick scalp, but I wouldn't recommend it, to be honest. Yeah, it's up to you. Fellas, don't get jealous when they the most go so charismatic, fully automatic. Oh heck no, the spreads are way too high on GJ. I don't know how these dudes be trading here, man. That's crazy. GJ got them spreads. Hold on, let me find something else. It was cat GPY. Okay, now this looks a little better. This looks a little better. Hold on, can y'all hear me well? Or is my thing too far out? I hope it's not too far out, because I'm trying not to keep my mic in my mouth, so I'm trying to keep it at a good distance as well, so it doesn't bother me. So you guys tell me. Ooh. Okay. There ain't no way. Oh. Okay. Man. Okay, so this one's a little tricky. Let's see. All right. Well, okay. So here's another one. Right now, it's pretty bearish, but check this out. Even though the overall trend is bearish, I want you to look at this. Previous day, opening price was here, right? Price quickly accumulated down here, or quickly manipulated, and then shot back up, came down, retested it perfectly here. And then what did it do? Shot up, right? Shot up right here. You could have entered a quick scalp before price reversed throughout the day. And that's kind of what I'm seeing here now on this. So you could also, technically, you could also enter here. You could also enter here once price. I say if price touches here in this fair value gap, I'd say it'd be a good chance. Stop loss under here. Target a quick 1-to-1, and then if you want, you can continue. You can continue on from there. That's up to you. I wouldn't go any further than that though, because remember, the overall trend is still bearish. The overall trend is still bearish, so And you know, you don't really need to go on a higher time frame if you don't want to. King and country safe and sound, the villain 6 feet underground, and no one knows because no one's found any trace of the man for all seas. Oh crap. Or if you want, you could have entered here as well. And stop loss same spot. But your take profit will be a little bit above here as well. So that's also another risk that you guys would be taking. Again, it's up to you. I don't know. I might enter in this. I might enter. I'm not sure. Overall, it's just this downtrend, man. That's the only thing. And then I'm still counter trend trading up to this. I mean, I honestly I can actually see price going back up, sort of taking this high out here, the previous 4 hour candle, and then going back. I can actually see that happening, to be honest with you. I can definitely see that happening. So if you guys want, you could also enter on this one right here. It's up to you guys. For all the new people joining, I was telling the chat that if you want, you could technically enter now, or you could enter here at this 5 minute candle, or if price retraces down this fair value gap. But technically, you could enter now if you wanted to. It's up to you. Let's see. Is there anything else you guys want me to look at? While I'm also watching, what is this? So, let's see. So, any trees for the man of our season. Do you guys see anything with some tight spreads? It's worth looking into. Yeah. Oh Lord, we are in the shield trend. Oh yeah. It's too late. My chocolate cherry come drop. It's too late. Dang. I'm seeing a lot of missed entries. I should have started this stream right on the money too. Dang, Daniel. My life. If you want it, wow. If you need it, yeah. Mm-hmm. Do, 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 do. All right, all right, all right, all right. That's way too tight on the spread, man. What I'm trying to do right now, guys, I'm doing some scanning as well, but trying to see if I can find something for y'all. Something that ain't gonna lose or waste time. Okay, so actually, here's something pretty interesting. The 5 minute alone. Hold on, let me see what's going on the 4 hour. Okay. Actually, this actually makes sense. This actually makes real good sense here. So, first of all, this whole thing is one whole order block, one whole bullish order block. So price is trading inside of this bullish order block. So there's too many orders down here for it to break through. That's why it's accumulating so much. That and there's like a bunch of other crap going on right now, but that makes sense for it to not be able to go down. So actually, I wouldn't mind looking for some buys right now. Let me see. Let me go down here. Yeah, actually, dude, I should have looked at this pair earlier. So we actually might still have some time to get in on a trade. It wouldn't be too bad. Hold on, so let me check something. Yeah, actually, you know what? Uh, I'm gonna get in on this one. Let's see. I'm gonna get in on this one. I already got in it, but I'm gonna show you guys where exactly I got in. Let me find the exact price here. Okay, that's where I actually got it. Okay. So, judging from that, let me see. Actually, let me check something real quick. Bam, there. This is at E as well. From here, price came up. All right, so I'm probably just going to put my stop loss here. Target a quick 1-to-1. That's what I'm gonna do. All right. So we're in this one. That's where I'm in right now. And we're gonna leave it running. If we have to, we'll leave it running overnight. So yeah, we'll wait and see what that gives me. And real quick too, let me just mark some stuff out for you guys. We have a sweep here. Okay, so like I was saying, overall I think the pair is going to be bullish. And reason being is because it's rejecting here. And I'm expecting it to retrace somewhere up here into this 4-hour fair value gap. Somewhere around here in this 4-hour fair value gap. And if I have to cut my trade short, I will, but so far that's my motivation for it. And I actually could have entered it a little earlier from here. Yeah, and we would have been straight if we would have entered there, but that's okay. That is okay. If you want it, if you need it, if you want it. Yeah, so we're just gonna give it time. See what happens. Yeah, we got more fair value gaps we got to fill up. So it does not surprise me. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think we're good. We're definitely good, yeah. If you want it. We gotta be patient here, y'all. Patience is key. Okay. Any future pairs that you guys want me to look at for next stream? Let me know. I might do either another stream tomorrow, or I'll just do a trade recap in the Discord. So make sure you join the Discord because I might just do it there. So yeah, I might just do it there. Okay. So keep an eye out for the announcements or just the new stuff. I be uploading stuff on the Discord, like on the low, and I don't even be telling nobody. I just be uploading. You know what I'm saying? I just be uploading. See, what was the other thing I was gonna do? If you want it and you need, yeah. You know what's funny is that like once like there's times where you enter a trade and you're like, oh crap, I made a mistake because you're in drawdown, right? And then once price starts going above the that entry, or it's starting to go in slightly in a profit, you're like, oh no, you know what, I'm good, bro. I don't need to get out of this one. I'm straight, I'm good. I don't need. You start feeling great. You start feeling real good. And then as soon as it goes back down and drawdown, you're like, oh crap. Like, dang it. Why didn't I get out when I had a chance? But patience is key, ladies and gents. Patience is key. Ain't no way we're gonna hit TP already. Bro, I swear, ain't no way. Look how price is just driving. Woo! Woo! I swear, bro, if we have a W on this stream already, bro, I'm gonna go crazy. First stream, and we're gonna have a W. I hope so. I really hope so. God willing. You know what I'm saying? In the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, baby. Orthodoxy all the way. But if I fail, I hope I don't embarrass myself. You know what I'm saying, chat? Chat Tavius. Well. What do we have here? I'll tell you guys too, like there's certain moments where you might want to move it to like break even. It just depends on what I see price doing. And considering we are trading the Asia session, uh, it's like it's not always a sure thing that price is going to actually hit those areas that you have marked out. So it's best that once you get the chance to go to break even, you go to break even too. Now again, I'm not a huge advocate of going break even all the time, but I do highly recommend it when possible to be done. Dude, thank God for X, man. Thank God for that boy Elon. Come on, man. I'm trying to catch some dubs. Man, what's up with people? Man, I don't know. I'm trying to get too political here. But these brimless, man. These brimless people. Yeah, I need to add some music on this. Otherwise, it's gonna be super freaking boring. We gonna have some problems. We gonna have some problems. Let me let me do something here. I want to I would say once price hits this area, guys, I would move my stuff to break even. So once this area gets hit, I'd probably move it to break even. Because I wouldn't want to risk it any more than that. Considering we got in a little bit late. Plus it's almost time to call it. So I would say here, either break even or start managing risk. But that's once we get there, y'all. Now, some of you might be wondering as to why. Why such an arbitrary line? Okay, reason being, because around this area, we have price constantly react. So I thought, you know what? Let me just drag my TP somewhere around this area. Yeah, literally, that's all I did. I was like, you know, I'm just gonna randomly drag it as long as it lands somewhere in here. But it's all these wicks right here, all this wick area. If we can get past this just slightly, I will take partials there. There's also like another like hitting little strategy almost, but it's just too much to go in depth. I was on fire for you. Where did you go? Was I being lied to? Just trying to forget you. I don't know. I'm thinking I might just continue to stream until like that little area gets hit. I don't know. I mean, you guys don't have to. You guys can also target like the middle of this this fair value gap too if you want. I mean, that could also be another area where you guys could manage risk if you want. So you don't have to just make it so arbitrary in a sense. So if you guys want, you can also target the middle of that 4-hour fair value gap. Just to be a little bit safer. You know what I mean? Just a little bit, just slightly safe. I'm already in profit, y'all. I don't know about you, but I'm making good money right now. Let's hope I don't get us cooked. Because anything is possible. see here. Guys, send me some memes. If y'all watching this after it's over, I don't care. Send me memes. Blow my freaking Discord up. My Discord messages. Blow up the chat if you have to. I'll probably if you guys if I get enough meme activity, I'll make a separate Discord. I don't know if I'll get reported for any of the stuff that you guys might put on there. I hope not. But God willing, I won't. Oh dang. Oh, that explains a lot. That explains a lot, actually. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I did the wrong thing. Chat, I think I... No, wait. No, I think we're good. No, we're good. I think we're good, chat. But yeah, send me some memes. It's 6 o'clock on the dot. I need my crack pot on the spot. Boom. Do 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 do. Whoa 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 whoa. Y'all still hanging in there, right? Whoever entered that trade, I hope y'all hanging in there, man. We're almost at break even slash managing risk, so hang in there, gang. Hang in there. Don't get nervous. Don't get scared. It happens. Things happen, God. Things happen. It's normal to get scared. Where is the worst part? Is it's like teasing me. You know, it's like right there. It's so close. It's like right there. It's like, yeah, I'm gonna get there. Like you want me to get there, you know, but I ain't gonna get there. I'm gonna get there, but I ain't gonna get there. You know what I'm saying? Ah, I hate it. I hate it, man. I hate it. It bothers me. I despise it. the shadows. Dead man walking. Rise up. Rise up. 6 feet under. Alright. It's 902, gang. You already know. Your boy finna dip. But I will probably do, like I said, a trade recap in the Discord. So if you want to know if I took an L or not, you could either just play back the video and see where I entered from, or if you want a more in-depth recap, then definitely join the Discord. All right, or I'll just do it tomorrow on YouTube. Regardless, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But with that being said, ladies and gents, that is all I have for you. Good night. Farewell. But I will see you guys soon. Peace.